Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone. So if you want to delete all the data from iPhone and you want to brand new iPhone settings, so what you have to do, you just have to factory reset your iPhone. So let's start the video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do this with easy steps. So first of all, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. So now you have to go to your mobile phone setting. After mobile setting, you have to search for the icons from where you can easily factory reset. So here I don't know what app, so you have to search here. You have to go to accessibility to turn all the factory data reset. After going to the accessibility, so it's not accessibility, it's journal where all the reset factory data setting is available. So you have to go to the journal. After going to the journal, you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, there will be an option of factory reset. So you have to turn that. You have to remember that after turning it on, after selecting reset factory data, all the data of your mobile phone will be clear, delete, and you cannot recover it. So here is an option of transfer or reset iPhone. So just you have to go for that. After clicking on transfer or reset iPhone, so this is the option I'm searching for, and you can reset your iPhone from there. So don't forget to remember that all the data of your mobile phone will be cleared and you have no longer access to the data or apps that are loaded in your mobile phone. So here, pray for new iPhone, like it will, all the setting will be like new iPhone you have bought. Make sure everything ready to transfer to new iPhone. Like if you want to transfer, you can also press on that. If you want to delete, you can also erase this phone. So you want to erase all the data, here you can see there's an option of factory data. If you want to continue factory data, all the data of your phone will be cleared and you cannot get access to the apps. If you have iCloud email, so you can get access. So this is a method how you can reset your phone.